Not yet, am I? No. I'm not ready. Yeah, let's keep them on the toes. As you saw earlier, Darren Bleasdale actually won the novice class.
The winner of the novice class next year has to go up to amateur. So next year, if Darren's pretty much now won the novice class, so next year he will actually be competing in this class.
There you go, hand up in the air, green flags up. Oh, that's so to the crowd there. It's a big crowd. It's a fountain, rides it out backwards. Just riding it out there. See him getting his feet in, just in his pole. Oh, it's a nice big nose stab, big air, one footed. Spins it round 180 there on the hood, just slightly falls off the side, gets back into the tray. Sits on the hood, spins it out around 180. Riding back towards us, one-handed, spins it round, 180, goes to the 360, loses balance. You'll see him spin the ski back over. Like we say, we don't like to have them too much on the side. Suck a bit of water into them carburetors and then they're a pain to get going again. Well, that's what you'll see now. Just sucked water into the carburetor, 15 seconds left to go. 15 seconds for Darren Bleasdale. Will he get his last trick in? Or will the clock beat him? Will he get it? There goes time, just gets that barrel rolling. There you go, if you like to put your hands together for Darren Bleasdale. Okay, the next rider